warning for Washington County, northeastern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sparta, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sparta, Nashville, New Athens, Marissa, Oakville, Wamak, Coulterville, Tilden, Lively Grove, Irvington, Ashley, Posen, Eden, St. Libory, Bogan, Hoyleton, Lensburg, Johannesburg, Covington, and Richview. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 41 and 61. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now.